If you own a local business, your Google Business Profile is either bringing you customers, clients, or patients every day, or losing them to your competitors. Sadly, most business owners have no idea which. This channel changes that. Every week, we show you how to turn your Google Business Profile into a 24/7 lead machine, ranking in Google Maps, getting more reviews, showing up in AI search, and turning it all into real calls and customers, clients, or patients. We use the same local SEO strategies and AI-powered software we run for local businesses every day. Software that powers over 10,000 Google Business Profiles. We also teach you how to leverage AI to generate exponentially more leads with customized AI voice agents and missed call text back agents. 100% of inbound calls get answered. No voicemail, no after-hours gap, and no lead calling a competitor because your team missed a call. Ranking creates the call. Speed to lead is what turns it into a customer, client, or patient. And the first business to respond usually wins the job. We have a new video, weekly, and quick tips daily. Hit subscribe, and let's turn your Google Business Profile into your best source of new business.